Yeah, I got 5 minutes.
Okay.
Okay, the first step is I go to FileZilla. Okay, then I have to enter the code in. So this is my FTPS, and then the server is 67 dot. Are you able to hear my dog?
No,
Oh, good. Okay.
I just put
So
mine
her
in.
username, I'm looking to see if she gets, her username is, it's her Atom code, SIA, all caps. And then the password's going to
Oh
be
yeah, I hear
Atom,
your dog now. The password's what?
is Atom with a capital A, lowercase TOM, SIA, all caps, 990 is a port.
Okay, okay, so it's Adam, SIA. Say that again.
Yeah, it's going to be, it's always going to be their Atom code,
Yeah.
3 letters, all caps. Then the password's always going to be Atom with a capital A, lowercase TOM, and then the Atom code, which is all caps, SIA. So that's the same for every single Atom client. That's when Gonzalo sets up.
Right.
And I just hit Quick Connect. Okay, so then see this where it says TaxWise 2007 Access?
Yeah. You're recording this
Okay,
too, right?
I'm recording this, yes. So this is the macro that Gonzalo built, whatever, 10 years ago, I don't know how many years ago, that I have to put on their workstation. Okay, so I have it in our files, so this is something that I'll just have to get to you, whatever, but, so I always put this, so I transfer it from over here on the left side over to the right side, so this is now in their FileZilla, okay, because I have to get this to her workstation. All right, so the only way to do that is, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull her, when I get her on the phone, I'm going to change her to the presenter. Okay, so I can see her screen. I'm going to pull up FileZilla, which hopefully she downloaded onto her computer. I'm going to key in this SIA, Atom SIA, 990. It'll pull up, and I'm going to see this, and then I'm going to then double-click it and transfer it over to her C drive on her workstation. Okay, because I got to get this macro on her workstation. So we could either set this up. I could probably, maybe we could have Duane, whatever. We could send a link, possibly, that they could download in advance, but I don't know if it's too much for them to do. But so that's that's the prep work I do in advance. When I make sure that Gonzalo actually set this up for them. So he's supposed to do that for every TaxWise user we have without us asking. He just automatically gives them a FileZilla. So he did do it for this person. If he doesn't, then I have to then send him 2 project tracks and tell him, Gonzalo, can you set them up a FileZilla account? I don't have to tell them the username and password. He automatically just does it based on their Atom code. Okay, then from there, I get the TaxWise macro. I put it in their FileZilla, so then once I start talking to them, I'm just going to pull up their FileZilla on their desktop, and I'm going to transfer the macro over to their workstation. Okay. You got that?
Oh, I'm trying to write down a bunch of notes. I hadn't done this, and we hadn't done that
Right.
since we fixed Drake.
Oh, yeah, right. Okay. All right, I'm going to go ahead and stop the